Hi friends, in today's video I want to show you how to create a perfect and attractive thumbnail for free on Google. So let's go, type here canva.com. It's a best website for creating thumbnails for your YouTube channel. YouTube thumbnails. Okay, let's type YouTube thumbnails. Many thumbnails templates appear on the screen. Which one you like, you start editing. You see many templates here. Something like this. You just click here, close the another one tab, and your thumbnail is front of you, and you are also able to how to create attractive thumbnails. And you also change this picture from here, and you add from templates or elements. And like here. Okay. And you can also change these things, this one. It's totally free. You also add this one here. Okay, let's try any other template. How to make a double T attractive you also change from fonts. You want to change your font style, just click here. Also you are able to change your thumbnails color from here. Many templates here, you see, and you also able to add this one. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you really like more videos, please visit my YouTube channel and like, share and subscribe this video. Take care of yourself. Bye.